If you're seeing Discord error 70007, don't worry. This is usually a login or verification issue. And in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to fix Discord error 70007 step by step so you can get back into your account without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is logging in with your email address and password instead of your phone number. In many cases, Discord will throw this error when a login attempt through a phone number fails, or when the request gets blocked. So if you've been trying to sign in with your number, switch over to your registered email and password and see if that gets you in successfully. This simple change often solves the issue right away. Next, make sure your phone number is actually verified on the account. Discord error 70007 is often linked to an account that is not fully completed phone verification, or to what some users call an accidental account issue, where the system is having trouble claiming that number correctly. Open your Discord account settings and check whether you've completed the SMS verification process. If Discord is asking for confirmation, follow through with the code it sends to your phone and finish the verification completely. A properly verified number can remove the authentication block that causes this error. If the login problem still continues, the next fix is to perform a hard reset of Discord. Sometimes the app gets stuck because of a visual or temporary UI glitch, and a simple refresh can clear that up. If you're using Discord on desktop, keep the app open and press Ctrl and R at the same time. That forces Discord to refresh the client and reload the interface. After that, try signing in or reloading the page again and see if the error is gone. This step is quick, safe, and worth trying before moving on to deeper fixes. Now let's clear the Discord cache, because corrupted temporary files can absolutely interfere with authentication and cause strange login errors like this. 1. To do that on Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Then type %appdata %app/discord and press Enter. This will open the Discord folder on your computer. Inside that folder, look for the cache folder and the local storage folder, and delete both of them. Don't worry, this won't delete your account, but it will remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. Once those folders are removed, restart Discord and try logging in again. In many cases, this is the fix that finally clears error 70007. If none of those steps work right away, go back and repeat them in order. Start with email login, then confirm your phone number, then do the hard reset, and finally clear the cache. Working through the process one step at a time helps you isolate the cause instead of guessing. Also, make sure your Discord app is updated, because outdated versions can sometimes create unexpected login errors too. So to recap, first, log in with your email and password instead of your phone number. Second, verify your phone number with SMS if it hasn't been confirmed yet. Third, perform a hard reset with Ctrl and R. And fourth, clear the cache and local storage folders from the Discord app data directory. One of these fixes usually resolves Discord error 70007 and gets everything working again. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Discord fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.